Okay, so today we're gonna do some basic question on conic sections, and this one is on ellipses. This one gets hard starting from like part D or E or so, but before that it's just common knowledge, so let's go ahead and do that. Part A is to find E, which is basic. It's just given from the equation, which means we have root 5 over 3. Part B is to find the foci. So we need to find, so it's basically root 5, so the coordinates required are, and this, because ellipses have two foci. So moving on, that's part B1 by the way. B2 wants the equation of the directrices, so this one's also basic. I believe it's just A over E's, positive and negative. So A over E is just 9 over root 5. So we have x equals positive or negative 9 over root 5. That's basic as well. Part C wants to find L1. And obviously point P is given. So we need to find dy dx. So this is given, obviously. So we need dy dx is negative 4x over 9y. Yep, and that is obviously true. So putting in all of the coordinates, we find that this is negative 2 over 3 cotangent theta. This is the slope for L1. And so we could find L1 as follows. This is a basic math anyway. Which means we have and which means L1 is this. And that's it for part C. D is to find L2 and find Q. So this is where it becomes more complicated. So obviously this is negative 1 because they are perpendicular, which means we have this one as follows. And as it intersects the origin, L2 is y over x is equal to 3 over 2 tangent theta, which implies L2 is also, we wouldn't need that for the time being. They intersect, so I could put this thing into L1. So we need to find x, obviously. So x is over 2 cosine theta, so that's that's 2 cosine theta, which means we have and y is also apparent. Which is so q is as follows. And that's part D. Part E wants to show whatever that is, and this one's the most annoying bit by far. So, oops, excuse me there. So, the obvious one out of the way is that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let's start from the left, and then we should find what alpha and beta are. So we'll need this term, which is the following, and then we'll have uh, 36 squared is 1296. And this thing is equal to alpha x squared plus beta y squared, which means this is equal to that thing is equal to sorry, this should be now we just compare. And 36, 4, 36, 36, so alpha is 9. And then beta, so 9 beta is 4 alpha, so beta is 4, which implies and that is going to do it. This one is pretty straightforward.